Manchester United destroying Tottenham Hotspur. The two goals didn't justify the performance of Manchester United. Christian Romero getting red card in the first half in the 30th minute, very deserved red card from the referee. It was a good call from the referee. But Manchester United deserved victory. Before the match, I said United were going to beat Tottenham Hotspur. I'm seeing United beating Tottenham Hotspur. And it turns out to be so because United are Old Trafford and their new manager grounds are informed. They beat Arsenal away, beat Man City at home, beat Fulham at home. So Tottenham Hotspur is a very poor side. Then I was saying Tottenham Hotspur, they had the best result away from home than but currently Tottenham Hotspur, they are one of the poorest sides in the Premier League. They are very poor. They are not good enough. Christian Romero just making the defeat worse. Because United should have, even for the guy who got of Tottenham Hotspur, they should have scored more than those two goals. And United, people are not, they are not among this. United has scored 14 corners in the Premier League, just only better than Arsenal is just only better than them by one goal. Arsenal has scored 15 from set piece. United has scored 14, but nobody is saying United are a set piece side. And Arsenal have scored more goals than Manchester United. Just let that sink in. Manchester United have scored 14 set piece goals. Arsenal scored 15. With that, Arsenal has also scored more goals than Manchester United. So, I'm not seeing people saying set piece, but good result from Manchester United. Their first goals from set piece were the better side, opening up Tottenham Hotspur at will. And this Christian Romero is going to make Tottenham Hotspur. And he's a captain. If Tottenham Hotspur send this guy away, he's going to compound their season because I think it's a dangerous tackle and he's not going to play in the next matches, including the Arsenal game, Newcastle game. So for me, United well deserved victory. They're just attacking. Tottenham not stand any chance against Manchester United at Old Trafford. And then winning 4 games in a row, like I predicted. So kudos to United. One more victory for that guy to cut his head. And this is United first win in a row, first time in 2 years since 2024. Kudos to Manchester United for beating Tottenham Hotspur 2-0.